Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer. Welcome to my Design Beast review. This is essentially 6 tools in one, and we're talking about graphic design tools. Now, if you're familiar with Canva, one of the tools are similar in a sense. The difference is that you got or you receive tons more features than with the free version of Canva, and it's a one-time payment essentially. But what you see here on the screen is essentially what you get. Now, I'm going to be showing you a little bit more about all of these different tools, okay? And before I show you that, let me talk about the bonuses that I have for you if you decide to pick this up through my link below in the description. So if you check that link, you're going to be able to get these bonuses here. First of all, how to easily generate an extra income with Design Beast. So all of these bonuses have been created with the idea of helping you generate a little bit more of, we're talking about income, we're talking about generating more customers, where to get them, and so on. So that's the first bonus. The second bonus is where to easily get customers that buys your designs. Okay, so you can use this because they're giving you commercial rights to this, which means that you can provide this as a service to others. Okay, but I'm going to be showing you where you can get those customers in the case you want to do that. Of course, you can use this for yourself as well, your own business too, as I use it. How I use Design Beast to generate an extra income. I'm going to be showing you that. How to make an income with Design Beast and Facebook. I'm going to show you the principles that applies and how you can use this together with Facebook to generate traffic and basically point people to your offers, whatever you are promoting online. Bonus number 5, use this tool to create your own products. You can use this in combination with that. If you want to decide to do that, I'm going to give you a course here. And if you decide to pick this up, you already have the tool. And of course, all the vendor bonuses. Okay. So essentially, you get 6 design apps for one price. You get a mockup designer app, an AI logo maker app, one-click background removal app, live motion photos app, and everything that you see here, you can stop the video or pause it if you want to have a closer look at it. But essentially, this is how this looks once you land within the dashboard. So this first here is the all-in-one design and mockup engine, which is gonna be very familiar. It's very similar in a sense to Canva. So if you know how to use Canva, you probably already know how to use this. Now, if this software was only about this, I wouldn't get it because you can get most of the features with Canva. But once again, as I mentioned, they have tons of other features here that I think they have in the pro version of Canva. So essentially, you can pick here what type of mockup you want, a mockup square, landscape, banner set, album covers, and so many other different kind of graphics for Google Ads, Instagram, Facebook covers. And as you can see here, very, very easy to use. So if you can't find it here, you can just, for example, do something like YouTube thumbnail, something like that, or ebook cover maybe, something like that. And you're going to be able to find different kind of templates. Now, in this case, this was for, it seems like a Facebook cover, but they have book covers, as you can see here. It looks like this. And then you can select one, you can drag and drop your file, or you can skip and proceed to the editor. And once inside, it's gonna look like this. As you can see here, you have the text, you have the images, the objects, your objects here, as you can see, backgrounds, your uploads, and so on, okay? Now, then you can go to the dashboard here, or you can download it or export it. So let's go back to the dashboard. Then we have the Slick Image Editor here, which is essentially a graphic design editor. And you can just upload an image here like this, very, very simple, or you can use the stock images that they have. And then you can, change things around here if you want. You can edit this image, you can crop this. Then we have effects if you want to make this a little bit darker. As you can see here, different things that you can do. You can enhance the image if you want to. You can, there's highlight, saturation, like that. The social media crop, as you can see, for different social media platforms. Well, this is just, I'm just testing this. So, but essentially this is how this works. There's different layers that you can use. So what I like about this is that the server, it's very, very fast. I would say even faster than when you are using Canva, which I really like. Very, very simple to use, very intuitive, I would say. Then we have the one-click background remover, which is essentially you upload an image here. Now I don't have an image, so this is not going to be perfect, but essentially what you do here, you pick an image and the software is going to remove most of the image. Now, this image is not the best to use for this example, but hopefully it's going to do something here. So as you can see here, it's not perfect, but then you can go to edit and you can change things around like this, for example. You can make it bigger. And basically, that's it. And then you can retouch the images within the same software, okay? But let's go back here. We have the logo factory. This one I really like because it's a very easy way to provide a service to others. Let's say logos. And let's say we're talking about real estate. I don't know, I don't have a tagline, but I'm just gonna go to create logo. We have graphical initials and we have a signature. Okay, so if we go to graphical here and we click on proceed, I'm gonna select real estate. I click on create logo. You're gonna be able to see tons of different already done for you designs that you can use for your clients. Okay, very, very simple to use. You can load more here if you want to. And then you just, you just pick one of these, maybe this one here, or this one here looks good. And you click on this icon and then you can change things, edit things a little bit. You want to move this around. You want to change the text here. There's different tools here. You have the templates, very, very simple. Okay. I'm going to go back to the dashboard again. And then we have the animated ad builder, which is essentially a tool for creating different kind of banners. Okay, I'm gonna go, you can, upload an image or you can just skip and proceed to the editor. But let's say we pick this one here. Like this. And then you can animate things here. Okay, so let's say animate, or sorry, I'm gonna click on the play animation here and you can see how things are going to start moving in motion. And you can change things around here. Very, very simple and useful for creating these kind of different types of banners. Then we have Pixel Perfect. This one is for converting pixelated images to vectors, which is very useful. For example, if you want to use animation tools, okay, or any other kind of tool, this is really, really good. This is something that I'm going to be using. Then we have the 3D live motion photos. Okay, so essentially what you can do here, you can convert your 2D photos to engage in 3D motion photos, or we have the live motion photos option. You can convert your 2D photos to eye-catching motion video. So if we pick this one here, essentially what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take this same example of my thumbnail for this video. Now you can have landscape, square, mobile, depending on what you want. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger here. Like this. I'm going to click on proceed. Now this is obviously not the perfect example, but it's going to show you what you can do. So what you can do here is you can have one part of the main image. Let's say myself here, I want this to be static and I want the rest to be moving in motion. So what I do here, I click on this pin point icon, and then I'm gonna click on that again, and then I just have to do it like this really quickly. I'm gonna just do it like this so you can see how this works, like this. We're gonna go through this really quickly here, like this. And what I'm gonna do by doing this is I'm gonna hopefully make this image static. And then I want to have the rest to be in motion, okay? Now I probably should have picked this one here because it's gonna take me a little bit less time, but okay, I'm already doing this. I'm almost ready here. Just bear with me just a little bit more here, and I'm almost ready here. And once this is done like that. Okay, I can also move around these dots. Okay, so let's try this, and I'm gonna click on, let's see here, the arrow. So with this, I can select the draw direction. So let's say I want everything, the rest here, to be moving to the left. I would do something like this, okay. This is not so that beautiful, but essentially this is what is going to happen here when I move this like this. Okay, so when I click on play, as you can see, that's gonna happen. I should have done a better work here, but essentially that is how this works. Okay, this was just a fast example. Then I can add smoke effect if I want to, or I can add some other kind of effect, like for example, money falling like this. Pretty cool. Okay, so that is how this works. Pretty useful for, you know, Facebook, maybe Instagram, social media. The magic object remover is essentially, it's similar to what I showed you earlier, but this one gives you a little bit more of customization. Okay, and then we have the video resizer if you want to do that. So this is essentially how this works. 6 apps in one. Okay, I find it very, very, very useful, either for you as an agency, maybe with the commercial rights, doing this as a service to others, or for yourself. In my case, I find that the Logo Factory Creator, really good. I like the one-click background remover because I'm always working with, images. This one here for creating pixelated images to SVG. This editor, all of these here, I like, and I'm gonna be using them at one point in the future, okay, sometime. So hopefully that makes sense. If we talk about the prices now, essentially the front-end product is $47, commercial license, $47 one time, and you get everything that I mentioned, all the 6 apps. You get all of these different tools that you can use, 7,000 plus ready-to-use templates that you can use, millions of royalty-free images. This is really good. You're always going to be needing this. Copyright-free vector and icons, hundreds of fonts, multilingual support, step-by-step video training, commercial license. You can sell this for profit, Facebook group access, Skype mentorship group access, and 8-week training webinars. Pretty cool. A great product. The upgrade number 1 is the Design Beast Elite, and this is going to cost $67. And you get access to additional features worth thousands. 10x your results, sales, and profits, and get ahead of the competition and other Design Beast customers. You're going to be able to unlock 2,000 additional ready-to-use templates. You get 80 new templates added to your account each month for 1 year. No monthly or yearly fees. Thousands of premium text effects and animations. Millions of premium royalty-free design assets, icons, and vectors. Millions of copyright-free images. Priority future software updates. So I like this one because of the updates, okay? Also because of the millions of royalty premium images that you can use, okay? So not entirely necessary, but if you're going to be using this on a constant basis, on a regular basis, I would definitely go for at least the upgrade number 1. The upgrade number 2 is the Design Beast Agency, $49 one time. Here you can sell videos for $300 to $500, and we're talking about this one here, okay? This is something not available in the front end, okay, with the Done For You agency package include. And this upgrade makes it easy for everyone to find clients and sell your or their designs for top dollars. So we're talking about 5 sub accounts, agency marketing package, Done For You agency marketing bundle, Done For You legal clients contracts, and Done For You agency website. So this is kind of a business in a box for agencies, or if you want to start one and start providing this as a service. And video is something that most businesses need these days. So if that's something you want to go for, this is the one. This is the upgrade you want to go for. Now, the upgrade number 3 is the Elite 4-in-1 app bundle, $39 one time, and customers get access to 4 additional apps as part of the upgrade. So they get Pixel Perfect Animate Ads Builder, Video Resizer, Video Survey Pro. So as I mentioned, some of these are available, as you can see here, only in the upgrade number 3. I like it. I would go for this one if depending on what I need, of course. Okay, so if I want to turn, for example, images into this one, Vector SVG, this might be for you. Animated Ads Builder, Video Resizer. If this is something that you need, go for this. If not, you can skip this one, of course. The upgrade number 4 is the Design Unlimited or Beast Unlimited, $47 one time. And here, basically what you get is a basic license where you can create unlimited designs forever with one limit of 600 credits per month on each of the 6 apps included. So, all of these limbs are going to be resetted each month so you can continue creating everything you need, graphics, designs, animations forever without any monthly fees. So this is a great price, unlimited one time. I like that. So basically I like the front end, the upgrade number 1, definitely. If you want to do the agency stuff, this one maybe. This, have a close look at this, check what you need. This one I like because it's the unlimited version, no monthly fees. I would definitely go for this one here, okay? So check that out. You can check the demo here. I've explained most of the things within this video, but if you want to have a closer look at it, you can check the demo here. Don't forget, check all of these bonuses here. I might be adding a little bit more because I'm doing this review before this launches, okay? So yeah, check this out. And if you're coming from my email list, you can just scroll down the page, or you can check the link in the description, okay? So thank you for watching my Design Beast review, and I guess I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.